Okay everybody, so welcome back to a new episode on AMC. Tonight we are looking at the short squeeze because in last night's episode we had a look at the actual fundamentals of the company. Now yes, I know that the short squeeze is going on, but I did want to take a quick look at the fundamentals just because people need to know what they're getting themselves into. Now of course I am impartial with this stock, I do not actually own it, it's just my personal opinions in this one, but I just wanted to let people know in the previous episode what I thought about the fundamentals. But yeah, in tonight's one we're looking at the short squeeze, and of course that is all coming up in this short episode. So if it sounds like a plan guys, please do leave a like and subscribe. We are trying to grow the channel, so each subscriber does help out massively, so if you could help us it would be appreciated. But with that being said guys, like I said, I am not a financial advisor and this is all just my opinion, and none of this is guaranteed to be true, so please do bear that in mind, especially with this stock because AMC is going to be very risky in the next few days, and personally I would not buy it even though we do have some potential for a short squeeze. That's just my personal opinions, so please do be aware of the risk and make sure to do your own research. But with that being said, we're going to jump straight in, not wasting any more time. So guys, yeah, AMC is one of those stocks which has obviously been quite bullish over the past few days, mainly due to companies like Wall Street Bets, or at least websites like Wall Street Bets, and companies such as hedge funds betting against it. Now, what this is ultimately creating is something called a short squeeze. Now, we have covered this before on the channel, I do believe. We can talk about it more in the future, but according to Market Watch, the easiest way to sum it up is basically when a mass of investors start looking to cover short positions and basically buy at the same time. And obviously, this pushes the price higher, which basically makes the short investors accelerate their attempts to cover, which sends the share price spiraling into the sky, which is of course what we are seeing now with stocks like AMC and GME and all of these type of stocks which have basically started rocketing. So of course it's not necessarily the worst thing in the world that these are picking up, and there is definitely some big potential for a short squeeze on Monday with this share price. I've heard people in the comments saying that they think this one's going to 300-400 in the next few days, and honestly, I'm not even going to say that's not possible because what we have been seeing with companies like GME, like I have said, they have rocketed recently, and there really is a lot of potential with these stocks to do the same. Now, looking at AMC specifically, I definitely think we are in a good position to see a short squeeze, and when it comes to price, I think we're in a great position to hopefully buy in with this share. Now, one thing that I will say with this price, in my opinion, is that it's going to be very volatile on Monday morning, so please do consider that one. Honestly, I think it's going to go either way on Monday morning, whether it shoots up or down, but I definitely think when markets open it's definitely going to fly one way or the other. There is definitely huge potential, like I said, to see that one shoot up, and I definitely think that is possible if a lot of investors really do want to see it shoot up, so that is definitely a possibility. But you know what guys, looking at the price, I definitely think it's going to be hard to buy in at this point on Monday morning, in my personal opinion. It definitely could see a shoot up in the next week or two, and honestly it is hard to say when the short squeeze will end, and of course then where the price will pop. But honestly guys, when it comes to investing in stocks like this right now, obviously like I said, from a fundamental standpoint they are personally not my cup of tea, but obviously from the short squeeze perspective and what is going on, there is a lot of perspective and potential rather to make a lot of money with these shares. But of course it is definitely a very risky time to be investing with these companies, but overall guys, if you are willing to take that risk, maybe it is a good buy. Personally, like I said, I would not be buying this one, but if I was buying this one, I would not be buying too many shares. I know a lot of people are buying hundreds if not thousands of shares trying to make that big money, but honestly guys, with that big money comes a lot of risk, and of course with that big risk comes a lot of potential to lose that money, so please do consider that one when you are investing. But of course, you know, when it comes to this stock, there is a lot of potential to see that short squeeze get expanded and hopefully see the price fly into the next week. Honestly, I would love to see that, and I would love for you guys to drop me a comment below telling me what you think of this stock. What price do you think is going to hit in the next week? Is it going to 100, 200, 300, 400, or is it just going back to the ground? Please tell me what you think. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. But overall guys, in conclusion, AMC definitely does have some big potential on Monday morning. I'll definitely be watching this one to see what happens because I think it will be very volatile, whether it's up or down. I think a lot of people will make a lot of money, and I think a lot of people will lose a lot of money, just depending on which way they are looking at this one. But like I said, I am impartial and I do not own this share, but obviously make sure to do your own research if you are looking to buy into this one. But I hope you enjoyed the quick video guys. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.